Hey guys, today's my birthday, so I figured it was a perfect opportunity to show you guys what you can get this year when it's your birthday with the Sephora Beauty Insider program. So let me go ahead and show you the two things that you can choose from. You can either choose from the Glamglow little set that they got here. You get the Glamglow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in shade Nude Glow, and you also get the Glamglow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. What I decided to get this year, because I love like beauty, like makeup samples, was the Bite Beauty little kit, and see, you can see here. But I'm like, as you can see here, like, don't these look kind of like pinky, like pink? And I opened them and they're kind of dark. I'll show you guys in a second. So I'm not sure. I'm not gonna swatch them because I might just take it back. So anyways, what you get with the Bite Beauty one is you get the Mini Amuse, sorry if I butcher these names, Mini Amuse Bouche Lipstick in Chai. Well, let me go ahead and just open this for you guys. Isn't this cute, the little cupcake? The candle is color changing, which I thought was so cute. Okay, so here's what you get inside here. Okay, look, this is the lipstick I was talking about in the shade Chai, so I'll go ahead and show you that first. And again, I'm not going to swatch it just because like the color is so like dark, so I don't know, it's not really for me. It doesn't look like that. Like, it looks kind of like it would be like a little shimmery, but it's like matte. I don't know if this is what you're into. I don't know what they'll do with this if I return it. I feel bad, like I am like touching it and stuff, but I don't know. I'm just, if it's free, I'm not happy with it, so why keep it? So I'll just get this skin. I've never tried Glamglow either, so I don't know. It's worth a shot trying. I always like skin treatment stuff too, so oh well that this didn't work out. So the next one is the Mini Matte Creme Lip Crayon in it's got one of those little fancy little things on top of the A. I don't know what it's called. Glacy or something? I don't know, glacé. So yeah, this one's dark too. And I don't know, I guess that looks the same, but to me it looked like a little like more pink. So here you go, and you know it's a lip crayon. So this also looks very matte. So, and you also get these little samples right here. One is an agave sugar lip scrub, and the other one is an agave lip balm. So yeah, so it's free, so why don't you, if you're not already, just go in there and ask them that you want to become like a beauty insider person, like, and you'll get like a little card, and you can start collecting points and stuff and redeem those for things. So yeah, anyways, I will see you guys in my next video, and I'll start uploading more soon. So I'm sorry I've been kind of MIA lately, but anyways, I miss you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.